Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to do a little bit of journaling in my A6 Hobonichi Techo. You know what that means: stickers, 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 and more stickers. So get out your journals and let's just be creative for a little while. All right, I printed out some Sprocket photos before I sat down to journal from the race on Sunday. We did the Des Moines Marathon. I did the half and my husband did the full because he's the runner in the family. But it was really fun and it was an awesome day. So I printed out some pictures from that. And you'll have to excuse me if I sound out of breath. This cold that I have is like just making me really tired. And so I used a scrapbook paper that was like a bunch of little boxes. It was from Cosmo Cricket. Like it's really old, from a old scrapbook store that went out of business. And I just turned it into a tip-in for the Sprocket photo. And then I journaled about the race on the back. And, it's just extra real estate for stickers, really. I mean, come on. And then I used some washi tape I think this is from Michael's a couple years ago. And this one, the stick is terrible. The stick is really awful, so I have to like reinforce it with glue. And then I'm using that funny sheet of cat faces, and I just liked that like cat that looks like he's smiling. And then one of those Garanian stamps. He's got like a blanket draped over his head, and he looks kind of ill. That's just sort of how I feel right now. So, and then I put in another one of the Garanians and the hearts and stuff, because we decided to do that race together, kind of to celebrate our 10-year anniversary. Instead of, doing like a tropical vacation or something, we just decided to sweat, which is super romantic. But no, it was fun. And then those other stickers, I liked that little skyline because it kind of weaved in and around like downtown Des Moines. So it sort of looked a little bit like our skyline too. And then some of those little tiny Garanian stickers. It looked like those two little cats were like kind of cheering. And my kids were there with my mother-in-law and father-in-law cheering us on at the, finish line. So that was really sweet, and not something I'm used to. It's usually me and my kids cheering my husband on at races because he's usually the one running them. And I'm a professional spectator. So it was just really neat to have them just see it from the other point of view. It was just super cool, and kind of made me get a little teary. But it was just really neat. Yeah, so if you've never done any kind of like organized event, like a race, even if it's just like a 5K or whatever, it's just a really fun atmosphere, fun and supportive, and just obviously I'm not racing. I just went out to enjoy the day, but it was super cool, and you should think about it if you've never tried anything like that. There was a lot of people there that just walk it, which I thought was really cool. And it was a beautiful morning. It would have been a really fun morning to just walk it like with a friend, have like if you signed up with a friend and you could just walk for a couple hours, like that would just be really neat. I think I texted a couple of my best friends and I said, we should do this next year. We should walk this together. So maybe we'll do that. And then my husband saw these stickers, and I didn't see them, but he picked one up for me. And so I'm just sticking it in my journal. And yeah, I thought that was really sweet. I don't know where he saw them at because I didn't see them. But I'm just putting that in there. And then these sloth stickers that I got in the Happy Mail from Anne, I want to use them, but on the same token, I also want to conserve them because they're so great. I love them so much. But I put one there because my legs are so sore today because I was really underprepared for this, for that race on Sunday. And so my legs are very sore today. Today's Tuesday, so they were very sore yesterday and today. I had to spend all day yesterday at a work class, like a mandated hospital-wide class on managing a violent, what is it called? Management of aggressive behavior. So now I can escape chokeholds and talk you off a ledge. All very necessary skills in the NICU. Not really. But hey, if they're going to pay me to be there for 8 hours, I'll sit there for 8 hours. Anyways, I'm making another tip-in. What do you know? It's just my middle name. I cut a piece of vellum and then I put a little sticker on it that says remember, and a sticker from a American Crafts book. I was talking to my daughter when she went to bed last night. She was really upset about something for school, a project that she was working on, and she was really down about it. And I was just telling her how much we love her and that we don't want her to be any different than she is right now. We just love her the way she is. And so I was just writing that on there and stapling it in with my little yellow stapler. And as you all remind me, I need to get a tiny attacher. I probably do. But that little yellow stapler is super cute, isn't it? Oh, and then that stupid washi. Never buy it. It's awful. And then, let's see, what am I doing? Going into covering Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, and I have been kind of lazy today. I've just not been feeling well, but I did want to remember last night. And when I was telling you my daughter was so upset about that school project, her brother heard her crying, and so he came in and brought all his blankies and climbed into her bed and was trying to make her feel better and talking to her about her project and stuff. It was just so cute. My mom heart was just so happy. Like, I don't know, I just wanted to remember just how grateful I am that they have each other. You know, I don't have that because I'm an only child, so I'm just happy that they'll have someone in life that like knows where they came from and, you know, knows their joys and sorrows of their, you know, whole life. And I'm just very thankful that they've got each other. So that's what that was. That's what that was about. And then some stickers, because I can't live my life without stickers, apparently. That Positoon, those fighting cats, I put that at the bottom because that reminded me of them. Because while they do fight like, you know, animals, they do love each other very much. So, you know, as probably most brothers and sisters do. And then I'm taking my Posca paint pen and just making designs because that's what I like to do. And I think on Wednesday, I decide to stick in something, one of those list stickers from the American Crafts set. Sometimes when I have a busy day, I like to make a list of the things that I have going on that day just to, I don't know, straighten it out in my mind and just to remember, you know, kind of like a memory keeping thing. But tomorrow I've got to get up early and get the kids to school, and then I'll go see my mom and dad, and then I have to go volunteer for my son's teacher at school, and then pick the kids up from school because it's an early out, take them to the babysitter, go to work, you know, just average everyday life. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I put a love everyday sticker in there just as a little reminder to, you know, love every day, even the crazy busy ones. These sloth stickers, again, I love them so much. There is something about a sloth. That face, I just can't get enough of it. And then I just stuck in some more, decoration stickers. So I'll just do the flip through. You guys saw where I left off last week with the journaling about my grandma. And I just wanted to say thank you guys for the wonderful, lovely, just such heartfelt comments you left me about her passing and everything. I couldn't respond to all of them. It was just a busy weekend and it was a bit overwhelming, but it was good. It was a good weekend, and her service was beautiful, and my kids did really well. I was worried about that, and but they were wonderful, and it just turned out okay, and at peace with everything. So I just wanted to say thank you all, and those are my pages from this weekend. It was happy and sad and happy again, and just full of family, which I couldn't really ask for more. So thank you guys. I hope you have a great week. Bye.